Graphing linear equation in slope-intercept form. Okay, the slope-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus b, where m is your slope, or what we call the rise over run, and b is our y-intercept. For example, y is equal to 2x plus 2. Our b here is 2, so our b is 2 and our slope is 2. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to um, plot the y-intercept, which is here. This is your y-intercept, positive 2, and your slope is 2. 2 is also, the slope is rise over 1, alright? Which means 2 is also equal to 2 over 1, or how many rise we have? 2 rise and 2 run. Okay, starting from the y-intercept here, we're going to move 2 points up. Okay, so I mean 2 units up, 1, 2, and then 1 unit to the right, which is the run. Okay, so we have 2 points here, so we're going to connect the two dots, and that is how you graph y is equal to 2x plus 2. Let us have another example here. We have y is equal to negative 2x minus 2. So our b here, or our y-intercept, is negative 2. Our slope here is equal to negative 2, or negative 2 over 1, or 2 over negative 1. So whatever we use in the slope is possible. So let us try to plot first our y-intercept, which is negative 2. So this is our y-intercept, negative 2. And our slope is negative 2, which is also the same as negative 2 over 1, or positive 2 over negative 1. So we're going to plot first this one, so which is negative 2. That means this is negative rise. When we say negative rise, that means it goes down. So 1, 2, and then how many run do we have? We have 1 to the right, so that means 1. So this is our graph if the slope is negative 2 over 1. Okay, now if we are going to use this slope, which is positive 2 over negative 1, we should still be able, the point should still lie on the same graph, or in the same line. So let's have positive 2, which is positive rise, which means it goes 2 units up, 1, 2, and then we've got 1 unit 1 unit to the left, which is this one. All right, so it's not a straight line, but it should look like this. All right, okay, so whether we use negative 2 over 1 or 2 over negative 1, the answer will still be the same. All right, so let us label this graph. So we have y is equal to negative 2x minus 2. Alright, let us try another example here. Y is equal to 1/2 x plus 3. Alright, so our y-intercept, or b, is positive 3, and our slope is positive 1/2. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to plot our y-intercept, which is this one. So that is positive 3. So our positive 3 is this one here. And then we're going to plot the slope here as well. So we have how many rise here? Rise over run. So we have positive rise and a positive run. Okay, remember that positive slope can also have this as negative 1 over negative 2. So negative 1 divided by negative 2 is the same as positive 1/2 as well. So we can use the same, we can also use this type of slope or this one. Either way, the graph, I mean the point, will still lie on the same line. So let us try the first one first. So positive rise from our from 3, positive rise, that is 1. So 1 unit up, and then 2 units to run, 2 units run, which is 1, 2. All right, okay, how about this one? How about negative 1 and negative 2? So we are going to do the negative rise, negative rise, which is negative 1, that is 1 here, 1 unit down, and then negative 2, which is um 2 units to the left, so 1 2 here. So if you have noticed here, whether you use the negative over negative or positive over positive, the answer will still be the same. So this is our y is equal to 1/2 x plus 3. Okay, let us have more example here. Our equation now is y is equal to negative 2 over 3x plus 1. So our y-intercept here is positive 1, and our slope here is negative 2 over 3x. Sorry, negative 3 over 2. All right, that is our slope, and that is our y-intercept. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to plot the y-intercept, which is here, positive 1. And then from the y-intercept, we're going to what, how many rise do we have? We've got 2 rise, so that is negative rise, so that means you go down 2 units down. So 1 2 1 2, and then 3 units to the right because this is a positive run. So this is 1 2 3. So this is your slope. This is the graph of y is equal to negative 2 over 3 x plus 1. All right, so let's try another example here with a y-intercept that is less than 1. So our y-intercept is equal to 1/2. Our slope is negative 2. All right, or this is negative 2 over 1, just to be able to identify our rise and run here. The first thing we're going to do again is we're going to plot our y-intercept. Our y-intercept is positive 1/2. So if this is our 1, so between 1 and 0, that is your 1/2 is around here. Okay, and then negative 2, our rise is negative 2, so that means 1 2, and our run is positive 1 and here. Okay, so this is the graph of y is equal to negative 2x plus 1/2. Okay, for more questions and for more lesson suggestions, so please comment down below.